Good morning, children.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, beta.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning. Yes, good morning, children, once again.
Good morning, ma'am.
How are you all? All are fine? Yes?
Yes, ma'am.
Good. So today we are going to start a new chapter, isn't it? Chapter 8 from the
Yes, ma'am.
supplementary, na? It so happened supplementary book, chapter 8. Not it so happened, this is supplementary only, na? Class 7. Okay, supplementary. So if you have book with you, you can take your book. Otherwise, I will share the PDF that you have to follow. So you will read about the small bear story. है ना? Have you gone through? आपने पढ़
Yes,
चुके
ma'am.
हैं? तो ये जो bear story
Yes,
है,
ma'am.
one lady, she had a pet, small pet. She had found it from the forest, है ना? It was a most friendly, weird and beautiful, है ना? बहुत अच्छा था and very beautiful था. Who loved vegetables, apples and honey. And this is very naughty one also for
Good morning,
18th.
ma'am.
Good morning, beta.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, children. Okay, some of you have not yet joined, no? So just now
Yes,
you are
ma'am.
joining, all of you. So all of you, as you join the class, you unmute yourself so that I can tell you clearly, you know, without any disturbances. So the bear story here, chapter 8. Today we'll study about that. So one lady, she had a pet, है ना, छोटा pet था, and that was a bear, and it was the most friendly bear, and who loved to eat vegetables, apples and honey, है ना? And he used to roam freely during the day, and night time they used to tie him, है ना? But was put on the chain at night. Daytime he used to roam about, enjoy his life. But when the sunset used to be, or at night, he was chained. Chained means उसको बांधा जाता था, है ना? उसको बांध के रखते थे, so that he should not go from that place, है ना? He should not harm anyone. कहीं भी वो भाग ना जाए, किसी को हार्म ना करे, नुकसान ना पहुंचाए, इसीलिए उन लोग क्या करते थे? She used to tie that bear at night, है ना? The lady, एक बार क्या हुआ, when she went to visit her sister on Sunday, who was living in that hillside, है ना? That time what happened? Yes, that bear
Ma'am,
was
we are
chained
skip.
the whole afternoon. जब वो उसकी सिस्टर को विजिट करने जा रही थी, then she tied that bear. Tied मतलब उसको बांध के रखा था, है ना? बेयर को बांध दिया था whole afternoon. And one Sunday, while walking through the dense forest, when he was walking, she was walking to the dense forest, she could found that bear is following her, okay, following her. So she thought that same bear who is in the house, maybe he is untied and he came behind her. So she gets very much angry, है ना? बहुत गुस्सा करती है. She gets angry, and with that anger, because why she was getting angry? Because that bear did not obey her. So she thinks that this bear has become very naughty. He is spoiled now. So she thinks that how to correct that. So in anger, she hit with that umbrella, what the umbrella she has carried with her. तो ये क्या करते हैं कि वो अपना अम्ब्रेला से उसको हिट कर दिया. हिट मतलब उसे मार देती है ना. बट द बेयर वॉज रियली फ्रेंडली. तो बेयर को उसको हिट करने के बावजूद भी दैट बेयर वॉज वेरी फ्रेंडली. नॉट फ्रेंडली, सॉरी, नो नो नो, दैट बेयर वॉज नॉट हर बेयर. ओके, वो जंगली जानवर था ना. यस और नो? Yes.
Yes.
So she thinks that वो अपना bear है and that bear is coming behind her, but it was not her bear. So when she went back to her house, she could see, and she thinks that this bear had gone away from the house and he did not obey me. She thinks that way and she started to shout at him. So the cook tells her that this bear did not go anywhere. He is very obedient. He is sitting till you came back from your sister's house. So this we will read. है ना?
Yes,
समझ में
ma'am.
आया?
Yes, ma'am.
So this beautiful,
Yes, ma'am.
beautiful story about छोटा bear, है ना? Baby bear के बारे में पढ़ेंगे अभी हम. Okay. So all of you please unmute yourself. Let's see. Okay. The bear story. Okay, the bear story. The lady in the manor house had a bear aspect. It was most friendly bear who loved vegetables, apples and honey. All of you unmute yourself, beta. He roamed freely during the day but was put on the chain at night. तो ये जो बोलते हैं कि this bear was very friendly. One lady in the manor house, she used to live alone and she had a small pet, and that pet was very fond of vegetables, apples and honey. And you know that this pet was very friendly with everyone, है ना? He used to roam about, he used to run about, play about, and when at night they used to tie him in the courtyard. There was once a lady who lived in an old manor house on the border of a big forest. This lady had a pet bear she was very fond of. It had been found in the forest, half dead of hunger, so small and helpless that it had to be brought up on the bottle by the lady and the old cook. Okay, so she had a cook, old cook मतलब पुराना cook था उनके पास, who was cooking for him. So here you will see that that lady brought that small pet or bear in the bottle. Why he brought in the bottle? Because that bear was very such a small creature, है ना, बहुत छोटा था, and it was half dead, मतलब with hunger मतलब वो भूखा से मरने जैसा half dead हो गया था. This was several years ago and now it had grown up to a big bear, so big and strong that he could have slain a cow and carried it away between his two paws if he had wanted to. But he did not want to. He was most amiable bear who did not dream of harming anybody, man or beast. He used to sit outside his nail nail and look with his small intelligent eyes most amicably at the cattle grazing in the field nearby. The tree, shaggy mountain pines in the stable knew him well and did not mind in the least when he shuffled into the stable with his mistress. The children used to ride on his back and had more than once been found asleep in his nail between his two paws. The three dogs loved to play all sort of games with him. You see here. So pull his ears and his stump of a tail and tease him in every way, but he did not mind it in the least. So you see that bear was very fond of everyone, and they people also they used to like him. उनको बहुत पसंद करते थे. And here you see the three dogs were also very fond of him, and they used to play. They used to pull his tail. कभी कभी उसका पूंछ खींचते थे, ईयर खींचते थे, है ना. You can see here in the picture. Yes or no?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
हाँ.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. कोई उनका कान खींच रहा है, कोई उनका पाँव खींच रहा है, कोई उनका टेल खींच रहा है ना, पूंछ खींच रहे हैं. तो दे आर एंजॉइंग देयर
Yes,
लाइफ
ma'am.
हियर. सो यू सी देयर कंपनी, है ना. बहुत अच्छे कंपेनियन है इन लोग. ये एक दूसरे को सपोर्ट कर रहे हैं. दे आर प्लेइंग एंड दे आर वेरी वेरी हैप्पी, है ना. So this bear was very nice and very kind, and he never thought of
Yes, ma'am. And very friendly.
Ma'am, can I read?
किसी को वो नुकसान नहीं पहुंचाना है. ठीक है, किसी को वो नुकसान नहीं पहुंचाने चाह रहे थे. एंड ये देखो कि he was very and everyone used to, three dogs used to tease him. मतलब उनको चिढ़ाते थे. कभी they used to pull their tail or legs and like, but he was not getting
मैम आपकी वॉइस क्लियर नहीं आ रही.
But he did not mind it in the list. So he had never tasted meat. He ate the same food as the out of the same plate: bread, porridge, potato, cabbage, a turnip. So he was very fond of eating whatever, you know, what he used to eat: porridge,
Ma'am, honey.
bread, potato, cabbage, and honey, vegetables, apples, tamarind और टर्निप. ये सारी चीज उनको खाने के लिए बहुत पसंद था. He had a fine appetite. Fine appetite मतलब उनको बहुत भूख लगती थी. Okay, and his friends the cook so to it that he got his fill. तो कुक भी बहुत काइंड थे उनके प्रति, है ना. He was very kind of him. He used to give such a lot of vegetables, bread, porridge, कुछ भी उनको दे देते थे. पूरा पेट भर के खिलाते थे, है ना. Bears are vegetarians if they have a chance, and fruit is what they like best. So इन लोग bear are vegetarians, है ना. वेजिटेरियंस. एंड ये देखो इन लोग जब चांस मिलता था देन दे यूज्ड टू गेट इट. ओके, इन द ऑटम ही यूज्ड टू sit and look with wistful eyes at the ripening apples in the orchard. And in his young days, he had been sometimes able to resist the temptation to climb the tree and help himself to a handful of them. So you see, during summer season or autumn season, whenever the fruits used to be there on the tree, he used to be tempted to climb the tree. उसको ऐसा लगता था कि कब मैं पेड़ चढ़ के फ्रूट तोड़ के खा जाऊंगा, है ना. तो उसको बहुत टेम्पटेशन होता था बिकॉज ही यूज्ड टू लव दैट फ्रूट, है ना. सो ही यूज्ड टू हेल्प हिमसेल्फ. ही यूज्ड टू क्लाइंब द ट्री एंड हेल्प हिमसेल्फ. मतलब होता है कि ही यूज्ड टू क्लाइंब अलोन. खुद का खाने के लिए क्या करता था, खुद ही पेड़ पे चढ़ जाता था, है ना. He used to climb and pluck the fruit and eat by himself. Bears look clumsy and slow in their movements. यहाँ पे देखोगे बेयर को, देखोगे मोटे मोटे भालू क्या करते हैं, धीरे धीरे चलते हैं ना, ग्रेजुअली, है ना, स्लोली. नाउ ही हैड लर्नड, सॉरी कहाँ चली गई मैं, बेयर विथ एन एप्पल ट्री एंड यू विल सून फाइंड आउट दैट ही कैन इजीली ईट एनी स्कूल बॉय एट द गेम. यू सी हियर, यहाँ पे बोले कि बेयर विथ एन एप्पल ट्री, मतलब वो एप्पल ट्री को इतना पॉजिटिव था कि कोई भी स्कूल बॉय वहां पे खेलने के लिए आते थे या तो स्कूल बॉय उसी रास्ते से जाते थे, देन ही वाज नॉट एबल टू बेयर, मतलब यो उसको अच्छा नहीं लगता था. बट ही केप्ट हिज स्मॉल आईज वाइड ओपन फॉर एनी एप्पल्स दैट फेल टू द ग्राउंड. वो बहुत सतर्क रहता था कि कोई एक एप्पल भी गिर जाए तो वो किसी का नहीं होना चाहिए. ये खुद के लिए सोचता था कि शुड बी माइन, हाँ ये मेरा होना चाहिए, किसी का नहीं होना चाहिए. और वो अपना आंख पूरा घूर घूर के खोल के देखते थे कि कहीं एक एप्पल गिर जाए तो कोई ना ले जाए, ये मेरा ही होना चाहिए.
मैम पेड़
तो
में रहती थी.
हाँ पूरा क्या है ना, स्कूल बॉय वगैरह आते जाते थे तो उनको गुस्सा से घूर घूर कर देखता था, यू नो, बिकॉज दैट एप्पल ट्री इट बिलोंग्स टू हिम. वो सोचता था कि एप्पल ट्री मेरा है तो जितना भी एप्पल फ्रूट्स है वो मेरा ही है, किसी का होना नहीं चाहिए या तो कोई नहीं खा सकते हैं. Okay, so he was thinking that way. Now he had learned that it was against the law, but he kept his small eyes wide open for any apples that fell to the ground. There had also been some difficulties about the bee hits. So bee hits means you know, bee ka hips means honey bee का
मधुमक्खी
छत्ता.
काटना.
हाँ, मधुमक्खी का वो छत्ता जैसा नहीं होता है कि उनका घर, बीहिप बोलते हैं उसको. He had been punished for this by their being put on the chain for 2 days with a bleeding nose and he had never done it again. So you see, यहाँ पे beehive जो था उसको डिस्टर्ब किया था, because that beehives were on the tree ना, ट्री के ऊपर था, ट्री में था, तो क्या हुआ, उनको जाके ये डिस्टर्ब किया था. सो ये मधुमक्खी उनको छोड़ेंगे नहीं, छोड़ेंगे ना,
No.
यस छोड़ेंगे, उनको काटे अच्छा से, उनके नोस वगैरह में काट दिया तो क्या हुआ, इनको
मैम नाक
बहुत
से खून बहने लगा.
ब्लीडिंग हो रहा था, ब्लीडिंग हो रहा था. इसलिए he thought that this is not good way to disturb anyone. That is why he was chained. Chained मतलब उसको बांध दिए थे. Otherwise he was never put on the chain except for the night and quite rightly so. For a bear, like a dog, is a dog is apt to get somewhat tempted and no wonder. So ये है जो कि जब उनको चेन पे बांधते थे ना, so he used to become arrogant, गुस्सा करता था बहुत. He doesn't want to be chained. उनको कैसे नहीं बांधे थे ना during the day, only उनको night को बांधते थे, isn't it? So he was being tied only night, not during the day. So he was not used to be. So when they tied him during the day, he used to get angry and arrogant. He used to become arrogant because he never liked to be chained. Okay? Did you understand this much?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Okay. So next one will read, na? Now I will give you
Ma'am, मैं
chance to
पढ़ूं?
read.
मैम मैं पढ़ूं?
अच्छा, who is that?
मैम कुणाल.
Okay, padho. The lady, that point also you have to read.
The lady visit her sister every Sunday, leaving the bear on the chain the whole afternoon. One Sunday, while walking through the dense forest, she found him follow her. She was
Following
so
her.
found
Following
following
her.
her. She was so angry with the disobedient bear that she hit him on the nose with her umbrella. But the bear was really friendly. He
Hmm.
was also put on the chain on Sunday when his mistress went to
Mistress.
spend the afternoon. Mistress went to spend the afternoon with her married sister, who live in a solitary
Solitary.
house on the other
Solitary.
side of the mountain lake. A a good hour walking through the dense forest. It was not supposed to be good for him to wander around in the forest with all its temptations. It was better to be on the safe side. He was also a bad sailor,
Sailor.
sailors
Sailor.
and had
Once.
one taken such a fight at a sudden
Right.
just off wind that he had upset the boat, and he had his mistress had to swim to the shore. Now he knew quite well what it meant when his mistress put him on the chain on Sunday with a friendly tap on his head and the promise of an apple to on her return. If he had been good during her absence, he was sorry but resigned like a good dog when his mistress tell him he cannot come with her for a walk. One
नहीं दिख रही
Sunday,
Okay.
One Sunday, when the lady had chained him up as usual and was about halfway through the forest, she suddenly thought she heard the cracking of a tree branch on the winding footpath behind her. She looked back and was look as if they move alone quite slowly,
मैम
but they shuffle along much faster than a trotting house in a
नहीं दिख रही
trotting horse. In a minute he had joined her, panting and sniffing to take up his usual place, dog fashion, at her heels. The lady was very angry. She was already late for lunch, and there was no time to take him back home. She did not want to come with her, and besides, it was very naughty of him to be disobedient her. She told him in her servest voice to go back at once, menacing him with her parasol. He stopped a moment and back and kept sniffing at her. When the lady saw that he had even lost his new collar, she got still more angry and hit him on the nose with her pra- parasol so hard that it broke into two. He stopped again, shook his head, and opened his mouth several times
Big
as
mouth.
if he wanted to say something. Then he turned round and began to shuffle back the way he had come, stopping now and then to look at the lady till at last she got sight of him. When the lady came home in the evening, the bear was sitting in his usual place outside his nail, looking very sorry for him. The lady was still very angry. She went up to him and began to scold him
Hold
most
him.
severely and said he would have to be chained for 2 more days. The old cook, who loved the bear as if he had been her son rushed out from the kitchen very angry. What are you scolding him for misuse? Said the cook. He has been good as the gold the whole day. Bless him. He has been sitting here quite still on his haunches as meek and as an angel,
Angel.
looking the whole time toward the gate for you to come back.
Yes, correct. So now you have understood.
Yes,
समझ में आया है? नहीं.
yes,
He was also put on the chain on Sunday when his mistress went to spend the afternoon with her married sister, who lived in a solitary house on the other side of the mountain lake. A good horse hours walk through the dense forest. You see here कि उनकी बहन के घर जब जाने के टाइम पे ऑन संडे he used to tie that bear, उसको बांध कर जाती थी. ओके, क्योंकि उनको पहाड़ और लेक पार करना पड़ता था. She has to cross the mountain and lake. That is why she was not taking that bear with her. क्योंकि ये काफी टाइम लग जाता था ना फॉरेस्ट की ओर से गुजरने के लिए. ओके, इट वॉज नॉट सपोज टू बी गुड फॉर हिम टू वंडर अबाउट इन द फॉरेस्ट विथ ऑल इट्स टेम्पटेशंस. सो शी थिंक्स दैट इट इज नॉट गुड टू वंडर, मतलब वो फॉरेस्ट में घूमना अच्छा नहीं है इनके लिए, क्योंकि इन द फॉरेस्ट ही कैन सी सो मेनी क्रीचर्स, है ना. ही विल गेट टेम्पटेड, वो पकड़ने के लिए वो टेम्पटेशन होगा उसको, वो उनको लालची लगेगा. तो ये छोटे छोटे पक्षी बर्ड्स वगैरह को देखेगा तो वो पकड़ लेगा एंड ही विल गेट यूज टू ईट द मीट, है ना, रो मीट. तो दैट इज व्हाई शी वाज फीलिंग वेरी unpleasant to take him with her. It was better to be on the safe side. He was also a bad sailor and had once taken such a fright at the sudden gust of wind that he had upset the boat, and he had his mistress had to swim to the shore. देखो, जब एक बार क्या हुआ, वो दोनों साथ में जा रहे थे, है ना. सो व्हाट हैपेंड व्हेन दे वर इन द बोट में उन लोग जब थे तो ही डिड सम मिस्चीफ, है ना, कुछ ऐसे बदमाशी किया जो कि उनका जो बोट था वो क्या हो गया, पलट गया, है ना, टर्न ओवर हो गया. तो ये मिस्ट्रेस को क्या करना पड़ा, वो स्विम करके जाना पड़ा, है ना, बिकॉज ऑफ हिज नॉटीनेस. इतना नोटी था कि वो कुछ कर दिया तो वो बोट मतलब अपसाइड डाउन हो गया. एंड दैट मिस्ट्रेस हैज टू स्विम टू द शोर, मतलब वो अपने को बचाने के लिए वो क्या कर रहे थे, शी यूज्ड टू स्विम, मतलब वो वहां पे स्विम करके वो किनारे तक आ गए. एंड दैट इज व्हाई आल्सो शी वाज नॉट टेकिंग हिम बिकॉज नाउ ही इज बिकमिंग वेरी वेरी नॉटी फेलो, है ना. Now he knew quite well what I meant when his mistress put him on the chain on Sunday. तो इसीलिए on Sundays she used to put him on the chain,
चेन
okay,
पे
with a
बांध के
friendly tap. हाँ, बांध के जाती थी और a tap on his head and the promise of an apple on. हाँ, वो एक टैप भर के पानी रख देती थी एंड उसको प्रॉमिस करके जाती थी कि व्हेन आई विल बी बैक टू यू देन आई विल गिव यू एन एप्पल. क्योंकि वो जो बेर था ना बेटा, वो बहुत फ्रेंडली था एंड ही वाज वेरी फॉन्ड ऑफ एप्पल, है ना. सो एप्पल का लालची देकर वो उनको प्रॉमिस करके चले जाते थे, है ना. सो ऑन हर रिटर्न इफ ही हैड बीन गुड ड्यूरिंग हर एब्सेंस, वो भी है, जब अच्छे काम करेंगे अच्छे से रहेंगे तभी उनको एप्पल मिलेगा, है ना. जैसे बच्चों को भी हम बोलते हैं इफ यू डू नाइसली एंड गुड वे दिस वर्क देन यू विल गेट चॉकलेट, है ना. तो बच्चे अच्छे करने के लिए कोशिश करते हैं, isn't it? He was sorry but resigned like a good dog when his mistress tells him he cannot come with her for a walk. तो ये बहुत ओबीडियंट थे पहले, है ना. He was very obedient in the beginning. Whenever his mistress used to tell him not to go anywhere, he was not going. He was very obedient, क्योंकि उनको एप्पल देने के लिए प्रॉमिस करते थे ना, इसीलिए वो उनके क्या करते थे, जो भी बोलते थे, he used to listen carefully and he was obeying him. One Sunday when the lady
Ma'am, can I
had
read?
chained him up as usual and
Ma'am,
was...
can I read?
Okay, read करो.
One Sunday, when the
Sunday.
lady had chained him up as usual and was about halfway through the forest, she suddenly thought she heard the cracking of a tree branch on the winding footpath behind her. She looked back and was horrified to see the bear coming along full speed. Bears look as if they move along quite slowly, but they shuffle along much faster than a trotting horse. In a minute, he had joined her, panting and sniffing, to take up his usual place, dog fashion, at her heels. The lady was very angry. She was already late for lunch.
रुको बेटा.
There was yes.
The forest, she could still hear the cracking sound. मतलब कुछ उनके ब्रांचेस ब्रेक होने का जो आवाज आती है ना, विंड में ब्रेक होता है ना फुटपाथ में, हाँ, टूटने का आवाज है ना, ब्रेकिंग साउंड. सो she was frightened. She was frightened and she thought that something is behind me. She was horrified, मतलब वो डर गई and वो सोचती है कि क्या है पीछे. तो जब वो पलट कर देखती है, when she turns back and sees, she could see that big bear is coming towards her and she could hear the sniffing and trotting horse. So sniffing की आवाज, panting की आवाज ये सुनाई देती है. So she gets very frightened and when she sees that, she gets very angry. क्यों angry हो जाती है? Because she had tied that bear in the house and this bear had disobeyed her and he is coming to, he is following her towards the sister's house, है ना. वो उसको फॉलो कर रही है बोल के वो सोचकर वो गुस्सा करने लग गई. नेक्स्ट, शी वाज, यस बेटा, शी वाज ऑलरेडी.
The lady was very angry. She was already late for much. There was no time to take him back home. She did not want him to take with her, and besides, it was very naughty of him to have disobeyed her. She told him in her severest voice to go back at once, menacing him with her parasol. He stopped a moment and looked at her with his cunning eyes, but did not want to go back and kept on sniffing at her. When the
Okay, wait.
lady saw,
रुको बेटा. So when okay, when she saw, she was very angry and she thought that that same bear ना, which she had tied in the house, लेकिन ये दूसरा bear है ना, this is not that same bear and this bear is looking at her with angrily. So she was looking that bear and getting angry. So that bear was also unknown to her, na? So he was sniffing and he was thinking that when to attack that lady. So both of them were seeing each other and they were not recognizing they were not friendly to anyone. Both of them are stranger. So you will see here कि this bear was very much you can say arrogant type ना. arrogant type मतलब ये गुस्सा जरा इनको गुस्से आंख से देख रहा था. Okay, so see यहाँ पे बोलते हैं कि she did not want him to come with her, क्योंकि वो नहीं चाहती थी उनके साथ आने के लिए, है ना. And he had disobeyed her. She was getting angry and with a severest voice to go back at once, and she shouts to him, "Please go back behind me." But here that bear was looking cunningly, but he did not want to go back and looking at her. Now he started sniffing at her. Okay, डराने लग गया. When the lady saw that he had even lost his new collar, and that bear ना, yes, उसको कॉलर पहना करते थे, पर ये जो बेर है उनके कॉलर नहीं है. यस,
Yes, ma'am. When the lady saw that he had even lost his new collar, she got still more angry and hit him on the nose with her parasol so hard that it broke in two. He stopped again, shook his head, and opened his big mouth several times as if he wanted to say something. Then he turned round and began to shuffle back the way he had come, stopping now and then to look at the lady till all at last she lost sight of him. When the lady came home in the evening, the bear was sitting in his usual place outside his kennel, looking very sorry for himself. The lady was still very angry. She went up to him and began to scold him most severely and said he would have to be chained for 2 more days. The old cook, who loved the bear as if he had been her son, rushed out from the kitchen very angry. "What are you scolding him for, missus?" said the cook. "He has been as good as gold the whole day. Bless him, he has been sitting here quite still on his haunches as meek as an angel, looking the whole time towards the gate for you to come back." Axel Monte.
see, now she was getting angry and she did not go to her sister. She came shouting. Yeah, she thought that same bear had gone behind her. So you see here he had come and he has sat down on his haunches. Haunches means जो क्या होता है ना, उसका हाई
No,
पार्ट
ma'am.
होता है, वेर यू कैन सिट. haunches जो होते हैं ना बेटा, वो बैठने का जगह नहीं होता है, हाई प्लेस जो बेर वगैरह बैठते हैं, या तो ह्यूमन बीइंग आल्सो यू कैन सिट देयर. haunches एनिमल्स बैठने के लिए कुछ बनाते हैं ना, है ना, उसको बोलते हैं haunches, उनके बैठने का जगह.
मैम बेंच
बेंच जैसे उनको राउंड शेप होता है, देखे हो?
यस मैम देख रहा है.
पेड़ काटते हैं उसमें से बच्चा है वो वाला।
हाँ यस, पेड़ काटते हैं उसमें से बच जाता है ना, उसको हॉन्चेस जैसा बना देते हैं, उसको अच्छा
नीचे
से
गिर
उसको निकाल कर उनके, हाँ, उसको यू कैन सी इन द पार्क ऑल्सो.
मैम वो
जैसे
लगाते
एनिमल्स
क्या
के
है?
पार्क में जाओगे ना बेटा, तो उसको लगाते इसलिए है तो वहाँ पे एनिमल्स सिट एंड एंजॉय, आराम